Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this coconut plantain known as Ndizi za mkono wa tembo in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So on today's ingredients, you're going to need about 3 plantains, or you can use more, that's up to you. You're also going to need 1 cup of water, 400 milliliter of coconut milk, some sugar, raisins, and lastly, cardamom powder. So the first step, make sure you have washed your plantains very well. Then afterwards, cut them into 2 as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, cut them into 2 because we're going to remove the inner core of the plantains. Note, it's really important when you're making this dish to remove the inside core of the plantain, or else when you cook your plantains, they're going to be dark. Afterwards, we are going to remove the outer skin of plantains and arrange them on a pot or a pan. Make sure you remove them slowly to avoid from smashing the plantains. It's really important to place the skins at the bottom to avoid the plantains from sticking at the bottom. Lastly, arrange your plantains in the pan as you can see in the video, and it's high time to cook our plantains. Place your plantains on a medium heat, then sprinkle a bit of salt and add 1 cup of water and cover them to let them cook on a medium heat till medium soft. Make sure you don't overcook them till soft because you're going to cook them again in light coconut milk. Once the water is dry, then add 1 cup of light coconut milk, followed by a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more, that's up to you, and lastly some raisins. Then cover your plantains and let them cook till soft. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook some coconut milk. I've divided the coconut milk into 2 cups. The first one, I've already used it, which I mixed with water. And this thick one, I'm going to cook it till it becomes more thick. Stir constantly till your coconut milk becomes more thick, and once ready, remove it from the fire and place aside. Once your plantains are soft like this, then your plantains are ready, and remove them from the fire and serve on a plate. And my plantains are ready as you can see in the video. I'm going to pour the heavy coconut milk to make my plantains more tasty. And my tasty coconut plantains are ready as you can see in the video. Look how tasty they look, and enjoy your plantains. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, Or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.